Hey friends, I'm Catherine. This was a painting that I did the other day. It is 11 by 14 inches and I don't like it. I mean, it's all right. It's got some interesting back and forthiness in the center right here, but all of the interesting parts are contained right to this area. And part of it, I think, is that all of the colors are on the same tone level. Like, it's not got enough contrast for me, so I'm not a particular fan of it. So we're gonna paint over it. I've noticed a lot of people have been doing things with balloons lately, and I haven't tried anything with balloons before, so I figure I've got a balloon. I own a balloon. I can smear paint around with a balloon. So we're gonna try that. I've got very similar colors this time. I've got the same color of green that I used for the previous painting. I've got the same color of yellow that I used for the previous painting. But instead of this same tone of blue, I've got a really heavy dark blue. And I think that's going to step up the colors in the painting a lot more, just give me a lot more contrast, which is what I really like for paintings. So let's try this. I think the idea is to just kind of pour a puddle, maybe a couple puddles, and then see how that goes. Smash it around with the balloon, I think, is the idea. So let's do a little bit of yellow in there, yellow in there. I have got a pouring tray down underneath this canvas. The only problem is it is like exactly the size of the canvas is, so it's not doing anything good. It's under there. It's not helping anything, but it is there. I'm getting paint all over myself, but of course, it wouldn't be a painting by me if I didn't get paint all over myself, so there is that. And then let's toss some of this really dark blue on here. I think that's just going to be very, just super fun. It's going to darken up this painting a lot, which I'm really looking forward to. Okay, so we've got these kind of puddles. We've got our balloon. Let's just kind of squish it down and lift it up. Well, that's not much. I mean, the balloon certainly looks interesting. Let's try over here. And the idea, I think, is to just kind of push the paint down and then pull it in. Oh, there we go. That's what we want to see. And let's do that right there. Oh, that's pretty. Push it out. Nice and big and flat, and then lift it up. Oof, don't want to slide it around that much. Ooh, that's okay. That's why I put paper down on my work surface. Because even if it escapes, it'll just end up on the paper, and that is fine. Oh, that's pretty looking. That's much more satisfactory. I like this much better than the previous one. Let's disrupt that. Oh, that's cool. All right. And that balloon is looking really cool too. I might let that dry on the balloon and see if I can't peel it off like a skin. But that's much better. I like that much more. Ooh, there's a blank spot right there. Let's go ahead and pick that up so that it's not got any dry spots. Hopefully all the way out to the edges. Ooh. I should perhaps police those edges a little bit better because I'm ending up with dry spots. That's okay, it'll all work out. That's kind of alright. And there's this spot of light green right there. Let me just press into that a little bit and smear it up. There we go. That is really cool looking and very satisfying looking, and all kinds of veins, especially right out here at this edge. That's awesome. Oh, I love this. That's much better than that previous painting already, hands down. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, now we just have to let it dry. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely let me know. If you didn't, you can tell me that too. It's alright, I can take it. And I hope you did like it though. If you did, remember to subscribe because I put up new videos most days. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!